Ladies and gentlemen, I'm here with the longest standing business person, I reckon, on the northern beaches, Mr. One Bruno Scalercio. How are you, Bruno?
I'm very good, very good.
You good? Looking
Yes,
well?
I'm very fond with you. I love you very much, and I know you are very good. You are very good health, and thank you very much for what all time you help me, helping my family. That's what I can say. You know.
Thanks,
I
Bruno.
love everyone, but
You love all your agents equally.
I like it. No, I like everyone, but for me, Marco is not a friend, nearly like a family one.
Like family.
Because when I need something, I have Marco to help me, and that's very important.
You're a legend.
Yeah, it's not only for business, but as a friendship, Marco is good.
You're a
For me,
legend.
I like it like a son. Because when I need, Marco said, Bruno, don't worry, I will try to help you.
You're
What
a-
I want to know,
You're a gentleman. You're a gentleman.
and that's for me important. Not because the other agent I don't like. I like it too. Why
Yeah.
not? But Marco is very good because not only for business, which we done together some business, but
Yep.
I like Marco because he helped me genuine, you know, not just for the business. He helped me. He like me to give him a life longer. And that's what I want.
You're a champion. People think that I'm paying you to say this.
No. It's not true. Marco is not bluff the people like that. Marco, what he done with the heart and really sincere.
You're a champion, Bruno.
No, not. It doesn't cheat people. But I know for a long time I never cheated people.
Well, we've been on 20 years. 20 years we know each other, and the reason why I wanted to bring Bruno to camera is what I find very interesting about you, Bruno, is Bruno's been a business person in the Northern Beaches for an enormously long time. He's been a business person his whole life, and he's generally worked for himself his whole life. And Bruno, you and I spend a lot of time together. Never at each other's houses, always in Bruno's shop. And Bruno's shop, I'm going to turn the camera around so you can see. Bruno fixes. What do you do for work, Bruno? What would you sell flags?
I sell the flag.
Yep.
I'm a shoe repairer, the best
Shoe
shoe
repairer.
repairer.
Yep. The best shoe repairer. That's what you just said. Yep.
I'm the best within my family.
He's the
which
best.
is very
He's the
important.
best family man.
And I have a few good friends.
Yep.
Which Marco is one. And then
Couple of good buddies.
yes,
And all your buddies, they come here and they sit with you.
they come here and sit down here. I look after them. They look after me.
Yep.
I mean, that should be important. Money is important, but a friendship, a friend for me are very important.
Is more
Because
important.
the friend that I have, they look at me like a good friend, not
Yep.
just for any reason. That is important.
And Bruno, what I find interesting is you've always had a great business, and you've always had a modest business, but your business has been very different aspects. Where property seems like it's been very important to you in your life. At the ripe old age of 93, you've always taken a little bit for the family, and then taken a little bit for the future.
Yes.
And that little bit for the future, you've put into a property, and then you've kept doing that on a regular basis. So you've almost had three things where the business has been great, but never. There were good times, you used to say, when you were.
Yes, it was a good time. Yes, and I have to say, I like everyone.
Yeah.
I help a lot of people too. With it, maybe you don't know, but I did.
Yep.
And that's it's a great. I feel very happy to have done that thing. I can't tell who they are, but I did. Now, with respect to the whole agent, I like everyone. Everyone I like.
Equally, because last time you did a video, you got in trouble because you said that I was a bit of a I was a bit of a weapon, and then all the other agents are going, "Oi, what about me?"
Well, I said.
So you got to make sure this time you're doing a video, you're covering your bases.
But so far, I mean, I'm all with the agent friend.
Yep.
Because I look after them too. But all time in the think one is particular.
Yep.
Is
you're the man.
This man that I have next to me.
Very kind, bro.
Because he's a nice man. Look after a lot of time my family.
Yep.
Tell me what I should do, which he's able to tell me.
We have good chats.
We have good chats, yes.
We have good chats about everything, about family,
yes,
about business, about everything.
Yes, I have to say sorry to the other agent. Don't think I don't like you. I like it the same.
Yeah.
But it's a little bit more.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for.
Well, I'm much better looking and smarter and faster. Nah, just joking. Just joking.
First we joke and part is serious. Joke, but
okay. Let's get serious on the. Let's get a bit serious on this one. If you're going to give a young person a tip, because I would say you're successful in lots of different aspects of your life. You've never really chosen to travel. You're not a traveller, but you've kept your family together, happy. You've maintained a beautiful marriage. For how long have you been married for?
I've been married with my wife only for 53 years.
53 years.
53 years, and we were very good to each other. We love for 53 years.
Wow.
Better than when I started married.
You love her more than when you met her.
Yeah, and I love my wife like 53 years ago today. I got a very nice wife.
Yep.
Nice family, and everything. A nice friend.
Yep.
Don't forget I have a nice friend too. Maybe I don't look like it, but I do.
You got good buddies.
Yeah, good buddy. Yes.
And so if you could give, say you're a young Italian stallion, and you're starting life again. You know how people say, if I knew back then what I know now, I would do things differently. After your journey in your life at the great old age of 93, and you've learned a lot, and I'm telling you guys, I met a lot of business people. This is one of the finest business people and gentlemen I know. And I'm talking from the inside out. What would you teach someone to say, hey, I've done this, I've done that, I've done this. If there's a young boy, 2025, girl, 2025, what would be the best lesson you'd say, this is what I think you should do?
Well, I think myself, that's really, truly. I will be very honest with the people. I don't tell much lie to the people. I love the customer I have. And practical, honest, got to be.
Honesty is the number one. You reckon?
Number one, honest.
Yep.
Second, love with the family. And third, love all the, even this friend from outside, you like, because sometimes you need them for one thing or for the other. And in my life, I found, not too many, but I found some which they give me a good tip.
Yep.
And that tip was great for me.
Yep.
Now,
just because you kept your mind open to
yes.
people out there, be friendly, be nice.
Yes.
There. So number one, honesty.
Honestly, I believe that one.
Number two, family.
Family. Number three, I don't try to pinch people. I tell you the truth. For my money, I work pretty hard, and I'm very happy with what I've done. And I would say, friends are very good. When friends, they are very good. Yep. But got to find the right one.
Yep.
Not the double face.
Yep.
Because if you find a friend for money or to do something against you, that's no good at all.
No good.
No good
Single-faced friend. Good single-faced friends.
Yes, that's correct. Yes.
Is number 4. That's awesome. Well, thank you very much. Now we've also got some other royalty who's come in here as well, and here they are. Yes, they are. Here we go. Yes, you are. Miss Scalercio, how are you?
Hello, Facebook
Sorry,
fans.
I should say, are you okay to go on Facebook?
Well,
We are. Too late already. There you go.
Yes.
We're getting tips from Bruno for Facebook.
Oh,
Do you want to leave any tips with him to support?
think
So number 1, honesty. Number 2,
best
family.
policy, family.
Number 3 was keep being open to new people.
Absolutely.
And number 4 was single-faced friends.
And
not
number
4,
number
not 2.
two,
So.
honest.
Honesty
To
is
be
the best
honest is
policy.
very important.
Yeah.
Honesty is very important.
Legend.
And if you believe or not, I'm the best.
Well, there you go. That's how important family
Well,
is.
well,
That's how important family is. The whole family is actually just coming to visit you.
Oh, definitely. Oh, yeah. I love my family, and my family love me.
Awesome.
And thank you very much
Thanks, Bruno.
for the lot, Mark.
He's a champion.
And excuse me, I want to say, the other agent, they are all nice people too. Don't forget. But one is particular, like in the family. One is the family. One is the particular. The particular, this agent
There's just one.
is one.
The rest are pretty close, though.
But
One's got the edge. Thanks,
that's
Bruno.
true. That's true.
All right, thanks heaps, Bruno. Guys, take care. Hopefully you enjoyed this chat with an incredible business person, the oldest business person on the Northern Beaches, been serving people for a very, very long time. This Bruno is here 6 days a week. From the morning to night at 93 years of age. He's an incredible character, an integral man to our Northern Beaches community. And I do have to say, our Northern Beaches community, sometimes these people that are working hard, we can often, these people that are working hard, we can often sort of forget about or leave by the wayside. But this is a big flag bearer for our community. Mr. Bruno, legend. See you guys.